Here is my Phantom wallet. I wanted you to see this so that you know I'm not messing around. Look at this. I am stacking 6 figures, and the way I'm doing it is not by trading like everybody else. No, I am in fact developing. I am creating the coins. I'm the one initiating the rug pulls, and I am stacking all the cash because of it. Stick around and I'll show you the exact method that I have used.
Nice.
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, I'm glad you've stuck with me because it means that you want to earn some serious money. But before I get into this method, there's just a couple things that I wanted to go over, okay? So look here, we've got our standard set of coins, as always. They're always changing, but it doesn't really matter because I could pick any coin. And, you know, we know the story. We're trying to trade and we're doing the best we can. Now look at this coin here. If I just stretch this one out for a bit more time, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at this coin and see how it's trending. Now this coin is doing particularly well. I mean, look here, we've got this massive jump up here, where if you're a trader, you could be making some serious freaking money at this point, right? Especially if you're selling at those high points. But do you know who is making even more money? It's the developers. And frankly, it doesn't really matter how well their coin does because they can choose when to just pull all that liquidity and make a serious amount of money. Let's take a look at another one. Again, another coin that's doing relatively well. But again, if you're trading, the only thing that you can do to make some money here is just try your best and sell at those peak points, but they're so short. Anyway, we are on createcoin.fun. This is the tool that we are going to be using to create our coin and then eventually pull that liquidity and make a serious amount of money. The best part is you don't need to be a tech whiz. There is no coding required. Okay, you don't need to code. No coding required. It says right there. Okay, in just a few button clicks, you are going to be creating your own coin and you're going to be making some serious money. Okay, now I just want to quickly go back to Axiom and just again have a look at our coins here. So these are all on Pump, and Pump was good for a time, but look at these market cap, guys. They're not really that high for the most part. A few get into the 10Ks, but not that many. But I'm now going to switch to my dynamic, and that shows us the data from Metora. Okay, now the Metora market is completely different. Look at this, 37 million on the Tesla coin here. Now that is an insane market cap. That is crazy because it's got the space to breathe. It's got the room. The hype can generate. Let's go back to create coin because that is the one that uses Metora. We've got to connect our wallet. Click on the first button, then click your Phantom wallet, and boom, we're connected. So in my wallet, I've got $109.80. Now, I recommend having about $100 in the wallet, and that is a good starting point. That is a good amount of funding to get our coin going. So normally you'd create your own coin here, you'd come up with the name, you'd come up with the narrative, but the issue with that is that you're gonna have to do a lot of marketing and you're gonna have to do a lot of hard work, and frankly, you still have to be lucky. So what we're gonna do instead is something a bit different. Instead of relying on narratives, instead of trying to figure out what the market's doing, we're gonna hit copy trending. Now this tab is one of the secret weapons of Create Coin. Look at these coins here. All of them are currently hot on the market right now. So that means that all of the hard work has already been done for us. People are already interested in talking about these coins. So I can refresh this a few times and I can find a coin I'm interested in. Let's give it one more. You know what? I like the look of We Are Cooked. All right, that's pretty funny. Let's do We Are Cooked. Just because it's a nice narrative, it's got a decent market cap. Let's copy it. So we hit the copy button and then boom, we have got a copied coin. So Phantom will bring up a couple of these warnings. These are a perfectly normal part of the process. You need to click proceed anyway. Then you need to click confirm. And then you need to click that you understand. You could lose all your money, which is the case anyway. And then we confirm. Okay, and that's just how markets work, right? So yes, let's confirm that. So now we need to create the liquidity pool. Okay, so this is where we're going to put our SOL down. All right, so we're going to create our liquidity pool. Now, the only number you need to change is the amount of SOL. So I'm normally looking at putting 0.2 SOL into this, right? Which isn't very much, but it will get you where you need to go. That has done wonders for me every single time I've put in 0.2. You can put more if you'd like, but 0.2 will get the job done. We then create our pool by confirming our transaction through the Phantom wallet. So just going to quickly click confirm here. There we go. And if you give it a moment, bam, there is our coin. We are live on the market. So we can see a few values already. So we can see our estimated value here is at 16.3. We can see our pool tokens, etc. But first we are going to click the boost button. Okay. Now this is truly the secret sauce. This is the magic spell that's going to boost our token on Dex Screener. So what that will mean is it's going to boost us up to the top of the chart so everyone can see it. 0.25 Sol. Okay, again, we're putting a little bit more money into this, but trust me, this is the money that you are going to make back and then some. Okay, you won't even notice it. So here we are. We're boosted. We're on Dex Screener. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to quickly take a look, but first I want to put my thing in full screen here, and then we are going to look on Dex Screener. We're going to have a look at our coin. Here is our coin on Dex Screener, and look at that. We already have a crazy amount of buys already. That is nuts. So that is because we've hit the boost button. So a bunch of things happen. So bots will see us, and they'll know that we're the hype, so they're going to want to buy us, and as well as all the regular traders as well, they'll see us more likely first over others because we've been boosted. Let's have a look at some of these numbers, guys. The market cap has gone up to 2.9k already. That is an insane amount. The volume, we're at 24.4. I can't even keep up with this, guys. This is nuts. Look at that liquidity, 1.6k. Okay, all of this is all just profit that is coming to us. Sure, we're gonna have some sells coming in, but like I said, because we're the dev, we don't really have to worry about that. We're not looking for that minute, tiny little stretch where we can make our money. All we have to do is sit here and just let the coin develop. Just let the market go. And then when we choose, when we feel like it, we are just going to pull that rug and we are going to make a serious amount of money. We're going to pull that liquidity and it's all going to go in our pocket. Look at these values, guys. Volume, 54k. Right, I've let that run for a bit. Let's now take a look at our estimated value. We're at 1.28k. Remember, we started at $16, guys. That is a crazy jump. So the next thing we are going to do is we need to make sure that we hit this minus button. We hit 100%, we're removing all of that liquidity, and we are dumping it all straight into our pockets. Confirm that transaction if you want to have your money, okay? That's the easiest choice you can make. So we're going to hit confirm here. Now, I'm going to show my winnings in a moment, and if you leave a comment and subscribe and like, I will give half away to a lucky winner. Let's have a look at the wallet. So, $100. Whoa! We have 10x'd, more than 10x'd, $1,308. Guys, this is the way to make money in crypto these days, especially in the meme coin market. Please have a think about trying this yourself.